They redid the entire front of the house here. A lot of the tongue and groove all the way around, restuccoed the back. We changed the whole facade, and then on the inside, all new paint. We've been through, I think, 3 different constructions on this house, and by far this was the smoothest. The communication was probably the best thing, so we used WhatsApp communication to run the whole project, and we had a dedicated project manager who I could get a hold of all the time, so knowing what was happening every day was really helpful for us. We've been through some other construction that just was constantly trying to get a hold of people and figure out when they were coming by, and I knew every day on this project what was happening, and it was fantastic. We had a few things come up in the middle, like plumbing issues that were unrelated to the original construction that the team jumped on and took care of, so it was a really good experience.